now that you've downloaded the SwissBorg app, it's very easy now to look at all the different features. But before getting into the features, let's get to the most important one, how to deposit any funds. So here you could see that you're on the Today page, but let's go right into the portfolio. You see on the left top, you have a button called Deposits. And the great thing with SwissBorg is that you're able to deposit by multiple different ways. You could, for example, top up with your credit card, debit card, with Apple Pay and Google Pay, and that is done instantly, 24/7, 365, which is amazing. So you could even do that on weekends. Or if not, you could do it by bank transfer. In this case, which is quite amazing, is that I'm going to deposit some euros. And the beautiful thing about the euros is that it's done instantly at your name as well. Here you see in this case, this is my personal account. I'll be able to deposit within instant SEPA that happens within a few minutes to hours to get directly into it. And for this, I will need to put the beneficiary, then to make sure the IBAN is well done, and that's the bank account. If it happens that I was about to deposit those Swiss francs, it would be slightly different. For this, I would need to essentially make sure that the beneficiary is SwissBorg solution, that I put the correct IBAN, but as well I put the reference number. And this is very important to make sure that the message goes with the reference number to make sure that you're getting it. And usually if it's done in the morning, you'll be getting the Swiss francs within that same morning. If you do it in the afternoon, it might take 24 hours, 48 hours at maximum, is usually the case. And if you want to deposit, of course, crypto, that usually done is actually quite instantly. So you could choose any type of token. In this case, I could choose, for example, Bitcoin. And the beauty behind it is that I could essentially be sending Bitcoin. But if I wanted to send, for example, the great thing, I wanted to send, for example, USDC, I could essentially send USDC with Ethereum network, but I could do it on Polygon, Avalanche, and as well Solana. And if you, for example, choose Solana, well, obviously the network fees are much smaller and therefore it will be much cheaper. So for this is the easiest way to essentially deposit your funds with Apple Pay or debit card with your local currency within a transfer, which is completely free, which is amazing. And last but not least, you could send your favorite cryptos. And for some token, it's multi-chain to make sure that you're being able to covering all the different networks that are the best.